Hey guys, it's Flutter. A bird just flew into our window, and so I'm gonna grab him real quick, okay? So let me set this up. I got gloves on, so I'm just gonna stick you right there for now. Come on, buddy. I will help you. Come here, sweetie. I hope you're okay. Got him, guys. Hold on. Here he is, y'all. I'm not sure what kind of bird he is, but he'll sit here for a while. He really whacked his head a good one. It's okay, sweetheart. I gotcha. Not very often you get to do this. Oh, it's okay. Let me put this down for a minute, guys. And then let you see him. Maybe. Here he is, y'all. Oh, poor little guy, hey? It's okay, buddy. Your Flutter will help you. Oh, he might be getting ready, I don't know. Isn't that awesome, guys? He's a little wobbly. It's okay, buddy. Can I see you? He's like a light green, kinda. Like a mossy green. You're gonna fall, honey. Aw. This happens off and on. Which, if you got windows, which I'm sure you do. Duh, Flutter. Then, this happens a lot. But I like to come out here, and when that happens, and hold them like this so that they're protected, so that nothing can get them, until they start feeling better and take off. But he should be okay in a little bit. So cool. A wild bird sitting on my hand. One time I had a grosbeak do that too, where they're black with red and white. They're really pretty. But yeah, he's just sitting there. You had a good one, hey buddy. You whacked yourself a good one, hey. Aw. But yeah, that other bird, the grosbeak, I held him, and then I eventually put him up on my bird feeder over there, and then he took off. But this bird, he's having a rough time. You got your eyes closed and everything, buddy. You gonna do fall asleep on my arm? Aw. How cool, guys. So cool. You gotta definitely record something like this, because you don't get to do this all the time, but gotta help them. Then I had a spike horn in here earlier, and the doe with the two babies, so they hang out all the time too. But isn't this cool? Can I move ya? It's okay. Aw, little buddy. Should I name you Clumsy? Not supposed to fly in the window. Aw, it's okay. Flutter's gotcha. Move this way a little. Hey, buddy. That is so cool. Hey, guys. I knew instantly. I heard him hit the window, and I went straight for my gloves. And I'm like, yep, this is a glove-looking thing. So, got the gloves and came out here and looked, and yep, there he was down there. Poor baby. Hey, buddy. Think you're gonna fly? Are you better now? I can kind of whistle like a bird. But I won't. Buddy. I can't not record this, guys. So cool. I'm not sure what kind of bird this is. But I will help ya. I will help ya. How cute. You're cute. What if I stand up? Are you gonna try and fly? You wanna try? You wanna try and fly, buddy? We're walking. He's not wanting to fly yet. Oh, what are you doing? Sitting here. Do you like me? Aw. Are you cold? You're like shivering, buddy. There. Oh, it's probably not the best way to put the camera. There. Aww. Isn't this awesome? This doesn't happen every day. I feel like Cinderella or Snow White or something. Or at least when this stuff happens, I do. I don't know. All the wild animals like me. I mean, this guy should have flown off by now, but he didn't. He probably feels really relaxed right now. Like, hey, I don't have to fly nowhere. She'll walk me around all over. Oh, I was going to go out fishing today, guys, but with fibromyalgia, degenerative disc disease, lumbar spondylosis, herniated discs, arthritis, you name it, I just could not push through it today. But I will be out there tomorrow. For sure. Hopefully slaying the big ones again. But guys, isn't this cool? Maybe I will try this. I got you, buddy. Do you want to go up here? Do you want to go up there? No? Well, I think I got a friend, guys. He's so cute. Usually they'll stick with me a little bit until they feel better, usually. And then they'll take off and won't see him again. Very cool. So sorry that happened to you, buddy. Man, makes me feel bad. And my Lily is watching me, of course. There, you can see the green in them. See the green? Light green. Very cool. Okay, I'm gonna teach you a lesson right now. See this window? Don't fly into it. Hi, Lily. Don't fly into those windows, buddy. Well, guys, I'm not quite sure what to do now. I have this bird. I'm not gonna let him down. So, I don't want to, like, sit here forever with him. But I'm gonna stay as long as I have to. So cool. Hey, buddy, can I pet ya? Hold on, let me try and pet him. Hopefully you'll see, because I cannot see what I'm recording right now. Hi, buddy. Okay. I pet him, y'all. I pet a wild bird. And I wish I could see. Oh, there we go. Look how cool he is. But, buddy, are you okay? Can you fly? Can you fly? You not ready to fly yet? You wanna come here? You come over here? I'm trying to put him onto my hand, and he doesn't wanna. Come over here, buddy. There you go. There. What are you doing? Hi. He's looking at me, y'all. Hi, buddy. You had a rough one, hey? Can you fly? I bet you can. His wings looked all right and everything, guys. He just whacked his head a good one, that's all. So, let's see how long it takes for him to leave. He just flew off, guys. They pick their head up, and when they start to look at you and they start looking around like that, that's when they're like, you know, kind of coming to. But he took a while, at least 20 minutes for this one. He whacked himself pretty good, but he flew off around the corner, and I'm a happy girl again. So thank you for watching. Subscribe, it's free. Hit the notification bell, put it to all. That'll let you know when I post another video. And if you click on the thumb, that'll show me you like my video, and that would be so cool of ya. So I suppose I'm gonna get going. I hope you enjoyed that. Flutter out, yo.